Welcome again to our virtual class. This is Musharraf Hussain, BA Honors. I am English Assistant Teacher, English Department, Shitakun Girls High School. Dear students, in the previous classes, we discussed about simple, complex and compound. This is another example of compound sentence having very dot end. The conjunction is very dot and. This is a coordinating conjunction, so he is very weak and he cannot work first. This is compound sentence. And if we find very dot and in the compound sentence, we have to use so dot that in the complex sentence. Dear students, look at the whiteboard very carefully. In the place of very, we have to use so. We have to use so. He is so weak. In the place of and, we have to use that. He is very weak and he can't walk first. He is so weak that he can't walk first. Dear students, this is complex sentence. If we find conjunction very dot and in the compound sentence, we have to use conjunction so dot that in the complex. Now the term is in simple sentence. For simple, we have to use he is too weak to work first. Dear students, in the simple we have to use 2 dot 2. 2 dot 2. Very dot and in the compound sentence, so dot that in the complex sentence, 2 dot 2 in the simple sentence. Compound to complex, compound to simple, complex to simple, complex to compound, simple to complex and simple to compound sentence. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. This is another example of compound sentence having and at once. The conjunction is and at once. This is also an example of coordinating conjunction. So the sentence is also a compound sentence. He saw the police and at once he ran away. When did he run away? When he saw the police. In the complex, we have to use subordinating conjunction as soon as. For and at once, we have to use as soon as, or we can use the conjunction when able. We can use both the conjunction, but when we go for complex sentence, we have to use only one conjunction, as soon as or whenever. Only one. He saw the police, comma, he ran away. He ran away. As soon as he saw the police, he ran away. Whenever he saw the police, he ran away. This is complex sentence. Now we are going for simple sentence. In the beginning of simple sentence, for and at once or as soon as or whenever, compound to simple or complex to simple, we have to use immediately after or just, after, or on. From these three words, we have to use only one word. After that, we have to use the verb. What is the verb? The verb is see. See, saw, seen. Present form is see. Immediately after seeing the police, or just after seeing the police, or on seeing the police, he ran away. The students, if we find in the compound and at once, we have to use as soon as or whenever for the complex sentence, or immediately after, just after, or on, we have to use in the simple sentence. Compounder simple, compounder complex. Complex to compound, complex to simple, simple to complex, and simple to compound. Dear students, in the classes of structural sentence like simple, complex, and compound, we have to remember one thing very carefully: why the sentence is complex or compound. The sentence will be regarded as compound when we find here any type of conjunction, coordinating conjunction only, and the sentence will be regarded as a simple complex sentence when we find here any types of subordinating conjunction. If there is any subordinating conjunction, then the sentence will be complex, and if there is any type of coordinating conjunction, then the sentence will be compound. So, from understanding the compound, we have to understand at first the conjunction. If we find here any conjunction, then we have to use the subordinate conjunction for complex and some phrase in the complex. Dear students, good everybody, stay well, stay safe. Thank you very much.